everyone. So, welcome to the channel Learn to Prompt. This is a newly created channel, and this video is all about the introduction of this channel. So, in recent times, probably by the end of 2022 and the last year 2023, have you guys heard about ChatGPT, Gemini, artificial intelligence, prompting, techniques of prompting? Have you guys heard about it? If you guys have heard about it and you don't know and you are not very much familiar what these things are actually about, this channel might help you. So first of all, I would disclaim one thing, that this channel is not about the technicalities. It will just help you uh, how to do the stuff on the chat GPT and through the Gemini uh, in non-technical or bare minimum technical things. Nothing much will be happening here. We will learn together and we will explore it together. So, if I give you introduction about both the Chat GPT and Gemini, they both are large language models. Okay, so this is a new term. So, what are the large language model? What actually it is? Internet is full of stuff. It's about text, it's about images, it's about news, it's about videos, it's about content all the way around. So, basically, the large language model make use of existing material, and then and when I'm talking about existing material, consider it in the context of text most of the time. It makes use of the existing text, and then it predict based upon the data which it is read again, and it will try to predict what will come next. Both ChatGPT and Gemini are are really good ones that are in the market. ChatGPT is by OpenAI, and this one Gemini is by the Google. This Google, okay, and ChatGPT is by OpenAI. Both of these companies are doing really well. So first of all, I will just give you introduction of this interface. This is the interface of ChatGPT. 3.5 is the version of ChatGPT. Hello, how can I help you today? The logo thing. Okay, so here it has given us some suggested queries that we can ask it, and it will answer it. Okay, so tell me a fun fact about. So if I give it a query, tell me a fun fact about berries. Okay, it's creating a response. The response was quite quick. Okay, a fun fact about berries is that strawberries, despite their name, are not true berries. Okay, that's a good one. According to botanical classification, and then there is further detail. Okay, so if we query the same thing with the Gemini and tell me a fun fact about berries. Okay, so it's creating a response. Have you seen it taking a little bit more time? Did you know these little yellow dots on the strawberry are not actually seeds? They are the fruit's real seed, while the fleshy part we enjoy is technically the septuple that holds them all together. Okay, so see, we have given a same query to both ChatGPT and to both Gemini, and both of them have created different response. And interestingly, both of them have created a response for strawberry, right? Yellow dots on the strawberry, and here it is again the strawberries. Okay, so this is how things work. They both have created a response. It can differ, it can be the same, but they have created a response. And we will explore it together, that how can we make it better, to better response, and how can we actually query to take the response we actually want. Okay, we have taken a look at the chat GPT window. Now we are on the Gemini. Okay, so this is the Gemini, and it has created the response Gemini, and then it's the simple one. We are entering a prompt here, and it will create the response. Difference is Gemini can take about the pictures, and it will also help us to use the microphone as well, and we will be doing it inshallah. Okay, so Gemini can make use of pictures in the prompt, and as well as the uh, recording as well, and the voice input as well. ChatGPT, though it's uh, in the free version, it is not taking any such thing. Anyhow, right now we will just end our video here, and we will be doing stuff together inshallah in the next upcoming videos, and we will be exploring these two platforms very well. For right now, just ending it here, and we will be back inshallah. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.